Yuneec Breeze 4K Quadcopter drone. Do fly your unmanned aircraft below 400 feet. Do fly with local clubs. Do inspect your aircraft before you fly. Do take a lesson before you fly. Don't fly your unmanned aircraft beyond line of sight. Wi-Fi doesn't go that far. Don't fly near airports or any manned aircraft. Don't fly near people or stadiums. Don't fly for payment or commercial purposes unless specifically authorized by the FAA. Don't fly anything that weighs more than 55 pounds. Obviously, you don't have to worry about with that. Don't be careless or reckless. You could be fined if you endanger people or other aircraft. And that is the other side. Nothing. Pay attention to the rules. There are your do's and don'ts for flying the Yuneec Breeze 4K quadcopter drone.